You know the feeling. You have a great idea for a song. You type in a prompt like epic summer EDM banger. You hit create. You wait. And what you get back is, okay, it has a beat. It has a melody. But it feels flat. It stays at the same volume from start to finish. It creates a chorus, sure, but it doesn't feel like a chorus. There's no impact. There's no goosebumps moment. Most people treat Suno like a slot machine. They pull the handle and hope for a jackpot. But if you want professional results, you have to stop acting like a gambler and start acting like a conductor. The missing ingredient is energy control, specifically the relationship between tension and release. In music production, we call this the build-up and the drop. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to force Suno to create massive dynamic drops. We aren't just guessing here. We are going with a framework with 4 specific recipes that I use: the festival countdown, the trap switch, the metal breakdown, and the silence drop. By the end of this, you'll learn never to generate a flat song again. Let's get into it. Before we create the first song, we need to understand how Suno reads your inputs. This is the theory part, but keep it simple. Suno reads lyrics for content, but it reads brackets, those square brackets, as instructions. If you just type chorus, Suno knows to make the melody catchy. But chorus doesn't tell Suno about energy. It doesn't tell the AI to get louder or quieter. To get a massive drop, you need a 3-step architecture. Think of it like a ramp. Step 1 is the pre-chorus. This clears the palette. It usually removes the drums or simplifies the beat. Step 2 is the build-up. This is the ramp. We use this tag to tell the AI to increase the tension. We want faster drums, rising pitch, and anticipation. Step 3 is the drop. This is the release. The bass kicks in, the volume hits the max, and the main groove takes over. If you skip the build-up, the drop feels unearned. It feels weak. You need the tension to make the release feel big. Let me show you how to write this, starting with our first recipe, the festival EDM style. This is the classic big room house sound. Think huge crowds, jumping, lasers. So I've got Suno open. For the style, I'm using big room house, festival EDM, high energy synthesizer. Now look at the lyric structure. This is where the magic happens. Under pre-chorus, I'm putting instructions in parentheses, rising synth. This is a hint to the AI. Next comes the build-up. This is the most critical part. Suno matches the rhythm of the music to the rhythm of your words. If you write a long, poetic sentence here, the build-up will be slow and sluggish. We want fast and punchy. So inside the build-up tag, I'm writing short, rhythmic commands. And then, the universal trigger for a drop, numbers. 3, 2, 1, go! Right after go, I place the drop tag, and in parentheses, I add heavy bass. Let's listen to what that generated. Did you hear that? The snare drum started rolling faster because of the short lyrics. The 3-2-1 forced the timing. And because we had that build-up, the bass at the end hit like a truck. That is energy control. Now let's switch genres. Maybe you aren't making EDM. Maybe you're making modern hip-hop or trap. In these genres, a build-up sounds different. We don't always want a rising snare drum. Sometimes, we want to take the energy away before we bring it back. We want to make the listener lean in. For the style prompt, I'm using modern trap, heavy 808 bass, dark atmosphere. In the lyrics, you can see how I have strategically placed my energy tags of bridge, build-up, and again the drop just before a bass. Let's check out the result.
I'm running through the city, lights are blurring out, no time for pity, you know what I'm about, wait for the switch, yeah. It's coming, it's coming!
See the difference? It wasn't a steady ramp up. It was a dip in energy, a moment of suspense, and then the heavy 808 bass took over. That works perfectly for rap and urban styles. Let's move to something completely different. Heavy metal. If you're making rock, metalcore, or gent, the word drop can be risky. Sometimes Suno interprets drop as electronic dance drop, and suddenly your metal song turns into a techno song for 10 seconds. We don't want that. The vocabulary matters. In rock, we don't say drop, we say breakdown. So for the style, I'm using metalcore, gent, screams, double kick drum. Metal gets heavier when it gets slower. We want that chugging, slow, rhythmic feel. Let's hear how Suno handles the switch from fast to slow.
Running from the shadows, no escape in sight. The pressure is rising, I'm losing the light. I can't take this anymore. Scream!
That is massive. The tempo shift is what makes it feel heavy. If we hadn't used the breakdown and halftime tags, it would have just stayed fast and messy. You controlled the pace, so you controlled the impact. We have one last recipe. This is the advanced move. This is for when you want the absolute maximum contrast possible. I call this the silence drop. This works best in high-speed genres like drum and bass. Style: liquid DNB, fast drums, atmospheric. The concept here is simple. The loudest noise sounds even louder if it comes right after total silence. So we have our buildup. We are trying to trick the AI into cutting the audio signal for a split second before the chorus. It's a fake out. Let's see if we nailed it.
We're floating on the water, drifting away, lost in the moment. We're here to stay. Rapid energy rising. Hold it, hold it. Energy rising.
That split second of silence creates a vacuum. It sucks the air out of the room, so when the beat comes back, it hits you in the chest. That is how professional producers arrange songs, and you can do it just by typing stop. So there you have it. 4 ways to cure flat song syndrome. You have the festival countdown for big energy, the bass switch for trap and hip-hop, the breakdown for metal and rock, and the silence drop for maximum impact. Your job isn't just to write lyrics, it's to design the roller coaster. Use the brackets, use the pauses, direct the AI. If you found value in this energy control framework, Do me a favor. Smash that like button. And if you want to master Suno AI, not just play with it, but really master it, hit subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping deep dives like this every single week to help you get professional results. Don't let your next song flatline. Go be the conductor. I'll see you in the next one.